1. Install this equipment in a dry area, free of metal dust, corrosive gases, or flammable and explosive materials. 2. The ambient temperature should be between 5 degrees Celsius and 40 grados and the relative humidity should not exceed 85%. 3. Connect all components according to the plug and socket labels. 4. Power and air supply must be installed according to the machine specifications and the equipment must be properly grounded. 5. Make sure the machine is level, each of the 4 corners has an adjustable foot that can be used to fine-tune the height and balance. The pneumatic pump provides power to the fluorescent inspection liquid spray gun. Please prepare a 5-gallon penetrant liquid container and place this tube inside it. Main air inlet G8 mm, 5 meter pre-installed tubing. For the emulsifier, water inlet, please use a 3/4 hose. Please unscrew the cap located below the metering pump. Remove the red cap. After inserting the tube, just screw the cap back on. Please prepare a 5-gallon emulsifier container and place this tube inside it. For the main water inlet, please use a 1-inch hose. Install the dust collector power supply below the rinsing station. Please plug in the power according to the instruction labels. Install the dust collector return air duct according to the instruction labels. There are 4 installation positions for the developer powder tank. 1 connection at the bottom needs to be attached to an air duct. First, install and secure the brackets on both sides. Install the top bracket and the exhaust fan. When hanging the side curtains, do not attach them to the 2 fixed hooks in the middle. When hanging the top curtain, align it with the logo position first. After slipping the curtain over the exhaust fan, fasten the Velcro strips to secure it. You can use the hanging chains to mount the UV lamp. Store the power cords in the cabinet. Under the inspection area, on the left side of the control box, there are 2 power connections. On the right side of the control box, there are 4 power connections. This is the main power supply, 320 voltios. You can remove the outer cover to organize and store the cables. For the bottom 2 rows, connect the wires yourself according to the numbered labels. If you have any questions about assembling this machine, please contact Promag